Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, first derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. Because we don't have number 2 and number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S plus 1 ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.